will not forget the moments, the times we had. I will not forget the moment, the time we had. Hey, go at my mama, she know that I'm bad. Go at my sister, she know that I'm bad. Go at my brother, he know that I'm bad. Go at my uncle, he know that I'm bad. Hey, hey.
Yes, sir. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Moment, aka King EE, and tonight, you know what it is. You see the vibes. Today, baby, we got some home cooking. Some who? I said some home cooking. You know what it is. We got some oxtails, baby. Oh, it's gonna be some smacking. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's gonna be some smacking going on. Got some cornbread, some spaghetti with a little cheese on it. Got some corn on the cob. As a matter of fact, let me just show you. Yeah. So y'all know what time it is. It's really about to go down. Got me some. You already know what time it is. Let's get into it. Enough talking. Smash time, baby. Let's go. Yes, sir. It's about to go down. Down, 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 down. Ooh, yeah. Yes, sir. Oh. By the way, y'all, this leftovers. Do I eat leftovers? Yo. You know that y'all. But to me, leftovers taste better when you first cook it. No. Let me know in the comments if y'all eat leftovers, huh? I ain't saying, you know, I ain't saying. I eat leftovers. No. Well, that tastes good. Oh, it tastes good. Yeah. Now, y'all know me. Y'all know your boy. I'm always adding something to something. I gotta do it. I know what y'all thinking. Oh, he can't eat. What are you doing, bro? Yeah, hey, I tell y'all time and time again, how I eat at home and how I feel like I should eat on the show. I don't be capping. A lot of these YouTubers get on here and they be like, yeah, man, well, you know, if I wasn't on camera, you know. Not me. Who? Hey, y'all gonna get the real deal. Dirty, uncut, raw. Boy. Oh my God. You better have a heart attack. Trying to escape. I ain't no escaping today. Y'all know what? Y'all want to thank y'all, all my new subscribers. I want to thank all my old subscribers. You know? I'm thinking of women I know I'm a handful. I know I'd be a mess. I know it. But y'all stuck with your boy. I want to thank y'all for that. Just in case y'all ain't never see it. Merch coming soon, baby. Yes, sir. Now here, for all my new people on the King Eat show, that's how we get down, baby. Raw, uncut, like I said. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to mess my shirt up. You know, it's on when I got it my size. You know what I mean? Boy, so let me know. Who's that? Let me know if y'all eat oxtails. If y'all don't, y'all can try some. I ain't do with you. Lean on me. Lean on me. Boy, you know it's good. When you bust out in harmony. Good. You know, I promise you. Leftover spaghetti. That's the best spaghetti. Y'all gotta agree with that now. Come on. Leftover spaghetti is the best spaghetti. I mean, that's the best spaghetti. You know what I mean? Broccoli is an oxtail. You know what I mean? So my mama told me that. I said, my mama told me that. But you gonna eat, you eat. You know, don't play with no food. You know, when I was growing up, we ain't have much. You know, so when we got some, you ain't getting that plate back. Boy, I used to be on, boy, I eat the plate now. You know, I eat. Boy. It's on cheese. Cheese all in there, spaghetti. Look at that tail, y'all. Look at that tail. Look. Good. You gotta eat off that tail, y'all. That one that he just picked up, that's a big one. That's a big one, y'all. Oh, meat on there. Meat on there. Boy. Look at that. Gotcha. Ain't nobody getting away. Yes, sir. I know what I did. I woke up like this. Yeah. YouTube. Oh, y'all knew. It was out there. I should have ate this one first. But I'm gonna take it down. I'm gonna see that picture when I take it down. Ain't no oxtail going to feast can't eat it. I got more corn, y'all. I got more corn. Yes, sir. That's how I get down, y'all. That's how I get down, baby. Can't eat. Tell a friend. Tell a friend. Tell a friend. That's it. And it's gone, baby. All my eats out there, eat. Everybody else, we the gang, y'all gang. We're not the same.